What's going on, you guys? My name is Ben Kahan, and today we're going to be installing Wilwood's Classic Series Dynalite front brake kit along with their new tandem brake master cylinder on my 1965 Mustang. So if you guys don't already know, I'm collaborating with Wilwood on this, and it's really cool we were able to make this happen. I'm filming a couple videos for them, and they're setting me up with their brake kit. And all this stuff looks super nice. It's really weird seeing it being made in the factory and then seeing the finished product in your hands. Like, that's a really cool experience. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know that I'll put all the information about this brake kit in the description of this video, just so you guys have that. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help. With that being said, I'm going to jack up my car, remove the front brakes down to the bare spindle.
I'm so happy I'm finally replacing these studs. They are so bad. I had to rethread my lug nuts because of these. So I think I'm going to call it a wrap for today. Kind of started later in the day, but I guess it's a good stopping point. Got off the old brakes. They weren't that hard to take off. Only a couple bolts kind of surprised me, and they came right off. So I'm going to clean this one up a little bit more and get it all ready for tomorrow. And then hopefully tomorrow I'll put on the new brakes. The only thing that kind of sucked today was that the little nut at the end of the brake lines was stripped. So I think I'm gonna have to buy new ones, which is kind of a bummer. So hopefully that all works out, because I want to get this thing back on the road. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. So just to update you guys, it's the next day now. I had to go to the store, pick up some high temperature grease, because all the grease we had was for drum brakes, because my dad doesn't own anything with discs. So I had to get that. And then I picked up some gloves, because I destroyed my hands yesterday. I thought I could get away with it, but I wasn't able to. So now I'm going to grease up the wheel bearings and put on the new brakes. So now that I got the rotors installed, I'm going to clean them off with brake cleaner because they're really dirty and greasy. But what I noticed is that the Wilwood calipers are so much lighter than the stock ones. Like, picking this up is like, oh my god. But this, I could hold this all day. So I just finished up installing the caliper and it looks amazing. I can't wait to take this car on a spin. But before that, I'm gonna lower it down, remove the old master cylinder and put in the new one. So now I'm going to bench bleed the master cylinder and put it on the car. So I just got done installing the master cylinder on my car, so now I'm going to use the proportioning valve that was on my car in addition to a residual valve that Wilwood gave me since I have drums in the back. But one day if I ever decide to do disc brakes, I'll just take this off and I'll be good to go. So I just finished plumbing the brake lines on the master cylinder and it was the most painful thing I've ever done. I'm never doing it again, but I'll probably have to do it again in the future. But just because there's no room in the engine bay here, it's just brutal. Like it's bad. But now that that's done, it's time to bleed the brakes. So I'm gonna have my dad pump the brakes while I bleed them. So what's up, Aaron?
Hey, how's it going?
So I think I just finished. This project has taken me a long time just because I'm filming and it's been hot out and things have not been going to plan. It's a nightmare. Like old parts break and the new parts don't want to work with them and then you have to replace them. It takes a long time. And it's just so hot out here. Like California, late August, early September. It's brutal. But I think we're done. Just bled the brakes. So now I just gotta drive around a little bit, see if they're working, check for leaks, and then bed in the brakes, so I'll bring you along with that. Alright guys, we're about to go around the block. I'm a little nervous. I'm pretty sure there aren't any leaks, but this little drive around will be looking for leaks afterwards, so we're gonna feel how the pedal feels and hopefully nothing goes wrong, but if it does, it's on camera and we'll probably make for a pretty good video, right? I engine braked down the street, so here's our first real stop at the stop sign. Seems to stop really good. Feels great to drive my car. It's like you experience your car so much more when you don't drive it and then you just drive it for a couple days of the week. You feel everything. It feels awesome. But we'll pull it back in the driveway, look for any leaks. All right, we made it all safe. All right, so now I'm gonna take my car back on the streets and bed in the brakes, so wish me luck. So right now I'm just gonna generate a little bit of heat in the brakes. So I'm just gonna get barely on it for 5 seconds and then I'm gonna get off of it for like 10 seconds. Alright, so now we're gonna get up to 55 miles per hour and then bring it down to 25, and we're gonna do that like 8 to 10 times. And we're using his app right now because I don't have a speedometer.
Alright.
How many has that been?
A lot, like 10, probably more.
I should probably just like slam on the brakes one time. You know what I mean? I'm gonna get on it right now, so brace yourself. Oh my god, these brakes work so much better.
Does it?
I mean, after this is done, this whole process, then we'll know the truth.
Yeah.
But from getting on it that hard,
yeah,
it felt really good.
Well, and you're gonna have, I mean, once you get it, the proportioning valve worked out too.
Oh yeah, the proportion valve's not even ready. So I just got back from bedding in the brakes, so I'm gonna let the car sit for a couple hours and let them cool off because they're pretty hot. And there's a lot of other minor things, like I need to mess with the proportioning valve and, you know, just dialed in. So that's what I'm gonna be doing the next couple of days. But I'm gonna end the video here since it's kind of getting long, but I'll update you guys on how the car's doing in the next video or so. But thanks again to Wilwood for making this happen. It's awesome. It was a lot of work, a lot of pain, but it feels good that it's all done. So thanks for watching. I know I've been lagging on making videos. It's been crazy with school and getting used to that schedule, but hopefully I'll get used to it and we'll start making content more often. I've been MIA, but I'll see you guys next time.